Hey everybody, Ricky here with Apple Valley Farm. Thank you so much for being here with me for a few minutes. Obviously, it is hot because it is mid-August, it is Georgia, it is very hot and it is very humid here. I want to share this with you because it's something I've been needing to do and I'm going to take care of it today. So in the past, I had a little compost bin and I didn't really take care of it very well, and it was not in a very good place. It was kind of hard to get around. It was a little bit of an eyesore. So anyway, I'm moving it out away from the house today, hopefully in a more convenient place, and I'm gonna do something that's gonna be really simple and it's gonna be really easy to take care of. I'm gonna do a simple one bin compost bin, and I'm gonna build it out of 3 pallets. That's all I need. 3 pallets, a handful of screws, an impact driver, and bam, we're gonna be done. So my theory is, if I can do this, anybody can do it, right? So on our little homestead right here, if I can build a compost bin and take care of some of the stuff that we can't get rid of or that we don't wanna get rid of, if I can put that stuff in the compost bin, that's got to be a good thing, right? Even, I don't know, you see stuff online. Let me say this. So, you see stuff online about composting 30 days, composting 2 weeks. I don't think that's possible. I don't believe that's possible. It's probably, I'm guessing, is probably going to take me a year or more to get decent usable compost from my compost bin. Because I don't want to put a ton of work into it. I just want to throw that stuff on there and then let nature take its course. So, let's do this. I will probably add another bin or 2 so I can rotate this stuff around. But for right now, I just want to get started. That's the biggest barrier to entry in a lot of what we do as gardeners or homesteaders or farmers or whatever you want to call it. The biggest barrier to entry for a lot of us is just getting started. Do I know what I'm doing? No, if you know me by now, you know I don't know what I'm doing. And I'm not doing a big project. I'm not spending a bunch of money. I don't have a bunch of tools and materials. I don't even have a grand plan. I just want to get started. So let's build a 1 bin compost bin out of pallets, which is something I've already got tons of. Let's do that and at least get the ball rolling, right? With that, I will shut up talking and let's get to going. I've got my pallets out here and I am ready to go. Here we go. Okay, is that the most beautiful thing you've ever seen? No, not really. But it is to me. It is to me. I love it. Man, I'm so excited. And I put that together, 3 pallets, a handful of screws. Did not cost me a penny, Jack. Not a penny. We put that together. Now we can start doing some composting. It's great. You can do that. Any of us can do that. And if you don't have pallets, you can get pallets anywhere. Easy peasy, you can do it. If I can do it, anybody can do it. Hey, thank you so much, as always, for hanging out here with us for a few minutes. This is the evolution of our woodworking business, our homestead, our gardening, and all the stuff that goes along with it. Our family is involved in this. Our family is loving it. We're healthier, we're more active, we're happier. I would say we're happier. We're doing cool things. And we're finding out about ourselves, and it's just really cool that you're a part of that process along with us. So thank you very much for being here. If you like what we do and you want to keep up with what we do, subscribe to our channel. It's easy. Click the subscribe button. You can be here with us all the time. And if you want to know even more about us, go over to www.applevalleyfarmga.com. You can be there with us all the time, be in all of our news, our events, our products, and our merchandise and all that stuff. So thank you so much for everything you do to support everything that we do and make it possible for us to have this life. Thank you. Take care. Have a great day. Be safe. Go make something. See you next time. Dude, that is so good. I'm very proud of myself. It's like a Ritz-Carlton, man. Hey, everybody. You can live in this. This is like a fixer-upper, like post fixer-upper. Shit, looks awesome.